Hi everyone! Today I would like to share how I made this double heart chain bracelet. First, fold all the 3 strings, which are the same length, into half and make one larkin knot with the center of the longer thread. Take the right red string and make 6 backward forward knots onto the other 3 strings. Take the left red string and make 6 forward backward knots onto the other 3 strings. Form a loop and attach it firmly on the working surface. Set the 8 strings for the initial step. Here, I'll show the initial step before making the heart. Connect the 2 red strings in the center with either double forward knot or double backward knot. Take the left pink string closer to the center and make 1 double forward knot onto the red string in the center. Take the right pink string closer to the center and make 1 double backward knot onto the red string in the center. Connect the 2 pink strings in the center with either double forward knot or double backward knot. The initial step is done. Now we make the heart motif with the red color. Please make sure that the alignment of all the 8 strings are correct. We work on the right side first. Take the red string closer to the center and make 1 forward backward knot onto the 2 strings on the right side. Use the same red string and make 1 double backward knot onto the pink string in the center. Now we work on the same part on the left side. Take the red string closer to the center and make one backward forward knot onto the two strings on the left. Use the same red string and make one double forward knot onto the pink string in the center. Connect the two red strings in the center with either double forward knot or double backward knot. We just finished the upper part of the red heart. Now we make the small pink heart in the center. Take the pink string closer to the center and make one double backward knot onto the red string. Take the left pink string closer to the center and make one double forward knot onto the red string. Connect the two pink strings with either double forward knot or double backward knot. Now we work on the right side of the red heart. Take the right red string and make two backward forward knots onto the pink string. Use the same red string and make one forward backward knot onto the red and pink string together. This is called shaping. Use the same red string and make one double backward knot onto all the three strings on the right side. Now we work on the left side of the red heart. Take the red string on the left and make two forward backward knots onto the pink string. Take the same red string and make one backward forward knot onto red and pink string. Use the same red string and make one double forward knot onto all the three strings. Connect the two red strings in the center with either double forward knot or double backward knot. The red heart is done. Now we make the pink heart. We do exactly the same things as we did for the red heart, so I will show you here without the narration and a little faster. Now we're back to the start of making the first color heart. Repeat the steps until it reaches the desired length. In order to finish the bracelet, divide the 8 strings into 2 and make 2 of the twist braids. Finish the twist braids with overhand knots. And we're done. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you soon.